Today we are at Target to see PARKE. We have a special collaboration with PARKE. It is elevated loungewear. It is kind of expensive, truthfully, and I think most of it's going to be sold out, but there might be a few little things left. So we have a swimsuit, we have some kind of separates, and then we have some other swim. We have an extra large or extra large pair of sweatpants. So this is the sweatpants. They're gonna have like PARKE and then the Target logo. They are gonna have buttons in here, but these are fake. And then that's kind of it. Like, that's how they look. Come out with these cute little overalls. These are gonna be large size too. So these are extra large and extra large. They are $45. That's not bad. And then they have PARKE with Target right at the bottom there. They do have this like red gingham set that's still here, and that one's $35 and $35. So you have like a cute little set. I don't know what is the most popular though. I think it's the sweatpants, not necessarily the separates, and that's probably why they're still here. Then you do have this, like, they call it an overcoat. It does say PARKE on the snap, so like that's nice. This one is an extra large as well, and it's $50, and then that's pretty cool. I don't know how this is going to be perceived though, like the Target dot, but I think they did it in a tasteful way. Let me know what you think. Then they also have pants. So these are a size 10 and a 14. They are $55, and they have this like drawstring thing for a belt. This is super trendy. Super trendy, with like, especially with Gen Z. They're gonna be super baggy, obviously, and then you have that little hit right there again. Of course, you have those in white as well. I wish these were in my size. These are in a 12. And then you have some more sweatpants. The sweatpants came in white, navy, peach, and I think gray. More of the jeans. These are those same jeans, and then you have a darker wash as well. None of these are in my size. And then I guess the last bit is this floral set. So this floral set is $35 for the button-down cardigan, and then there's a matching tank, and this one is $25. Feels like a weird price discrepancy though. And then, okay, they have little shorts too, so I would imagine these are like sleep. Those are $25. And then you do have like a matching swim, that's $20. This is kind of cute with the ruching right there. That's the front though. Oh, I guess it's just gathered. And then you have a matching gingham one to go with the other. So overall, that's it. There was only one thing in my size, which is actually these white shorts. So these are small. I don't even know if those are gonna fit. So I'm not gonna do a try on for this, but let me know what you think in the comments below. Were you able to snag anything? What do you think about the collab overall or the brand? Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.